So tell me your full name and where you're from.
My name is Kylie Marcelia, my husband Mike, our son Lucas, and his girlfriend Lexi. And we are from the United States. We are from Illinois.
I'm Frances French and I'm from Southampton.
And I'm Jeremy French, Southampton, England.
Josh Abbott in United States, Alabama, state of Alabama.
Annabelle Roman, I'm 20 years old and I'm from Chicago, Illinois.
Yeah, I'm Jessie Kaplan, I'm 20 and I'm from Miami, Florida in the United States.
And why have you come to visit Ireland?
We are here celebrating St. Patrick's Day, of course, and we are traveling with the University of Illinois Marching Band, who is one of the featured bands for the St. Patrick's Day parade on Tuesday. And our daughter, Sophia, who is not with us, is part of the marching band. She's one of the dancers. She's an Alinette.
It's my birthday and we've never been to Ireland before, so we thought, why not? And it was on our bucket list, so I thought, and it's St. Patrick's weekend as well, so we thought, oh my God, that'll be amazing.
It is me and my wife's 7-year anniversary, and so we're just celebrating that, and we just thought we were trying to pick between London and Ireland, and we just thought Ireland would be the place to come. Just more chill, more laid back, nicer scenery, and we get a little piece of St. Patrick's Day.
I actually have been to Ireland before. I went in May. It just happened to work out that it was St. Paddy's weekend, so we were like, we cannot pass this opportunity up. We're going to Dublin.
Tell me, do you find it's value for money compared to other places you've traveled? What do you think?
I mean, it's pretty good compared to other places. Compared to parts of the United States, it's good, so yes.
I've only been here a couple of hours, but we've just had a lovely pint of Guinness, so it does taste better in Ireland as well, so
Yeah, he
it
went,
is true.
this tastes different. I went, it's probably because it's real.
After having a few weekends in London, this is good value.
I mean,
so.
we haven't got down to the touristy bit yet, and we've been told, oh, don't buy drinks in there, but apparently, it's all the entertainment that you're paying for as well. It's not just the drinks, so we don't mind at all.
I think definitely. All the drinks here, well, obviously are top notch. They're so good, and all the bartenders that we've experienced have been so efficient and great. I think it's definitely worth what we're paying for. The food is delicious here. Our hotel is really nice. Service is incredible here. So I think definitely worth my money.
I mean, obviously because it's St. Patrick's Day weekend and everyone's coming here, the rates are a little higher as far as hotels go, but as far as like the pubs and the bars, it's not incredibly expensive.
The service here is way better than like, anywhere else. Like when we were in Madrid, the service is probably like the worst.
Yeah,
but
you get what you pay for sure.
Yeah.
And you get water here.
Yes, you get water.
So to be honest, like I hear it's overpriced, but for whatever reason, it doesn't feel too overpriced. Yeah.
It's been good value for money.
I think it's been good value.
What's on the agenda? Your daughter's going to be in the parade.
Yes.
So you'll be watching the parade.
Yes, so we'll be in Kilkenny on Sunday, and we'll be here on Tuesday, obviously, for the parade. Tomorrow we're going to kiss the Blarney Stone. And then, of course, Sunday's Kilkenny. Monday's the Cliffs of Moher and Galway. Tuesday I'll be back in Dublin for the parade. Wednesday we're doing some more sites here, and then the Book of Kells. We have to see that, of course. And then Thursday we go back. So we are packing it all in.
So
Guinness.
Trinity College, Guinness, the Guinness Storehouse, yes.
Yeah.
Where else do we want to go? Oh, pub crawls, some shopping to get some birthday presents, maybe a shamrock charm.
We might go to, what is it, the
40 foot.
The 40 foot she really wants to go to. Yeah.
But it's freezing, so
Yeah.
who knows if we're going to make it.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful, yeah.
And are you feeling like, look, it's Friday of the St. Patrick's weekend. What do you think of the buzz? Is it living up to an expectation you might have had?
Yeah, we've just been to a pub and
Yeah.
we've just been on the coach coming here, and there was quite a buzz on that coach.
It feels like
And
a
there-
nice atmosphere now,
Yeah,
doesn't it?
it
Even
was.
in this,
Yeah.
because this is the Temple Bar area, isn't it? So yeah, it definitely feels there's.
It's Temple Bar, one of the most tourist
Well,
areas.
I can just tell you right off the bat, we literally just came around the corner from our hotel. We saw the Temple Bar with the decorations. We were getting a picture, and a wonderful, very friendly local stopped and saw us, gave us some tips and some pointers of maybe some places to go, and just was super friendly.
Very friendly.
So, and the staff at the hotel has been so friendly. We've just had a great experience so far.
Did you have any worries about travelling at the moment with the unrest in the Middle East and all that going on?
I personally don't, just because we're heading back to the U.S. If I were traveling elsewhere, I think I would.
We felt safe with traveling to come, out of the United States, and then once we got here to the airport, everybody here at the airport was so nice and so friendly, and we didn't have any safety
No
concerns at all.
concerns.
So 10 out of 10 review
10 out
so
of
far.
10.
Yes.
Come find us again next Wednesday.